Today we are diving deep into FMS Delhi, one of India's oldest and most prestigious management schools. If you are considering an MBA, stay tuned. From courses and placements to admissions and legacy, we have got it all covered. Hello and welcome back to Career Choice 360. FMS is situated at Malkaganj Marg, Kamla Nagar, New Delhi, right in the heart of the city. It is easy to access via local public transport, metro, and road. Being in Delhi gives good exposure to corporate internships and big business hubs. Let's talk about the courses offered by FMS. So there are some courses which are offered by FMS in which full-time MBA is their flagship program. FMS also offered MBA Executive, MBA Executive Healthcare Administration, and doctoral program. These programs are modular, especially for the executive ones, which are structured into semesters. Talking about the rankings and legacy, FMS was established in 1954 under the University of Delhi. According to IIRF 2025, it ranked second for India's top business school. And with Outlook 2025, it ranked 12 in India's for MBA and PGDM. Now talking about the admission criteria, for MBA full-time, a student must have a bachelor's degree after 12 years of schooling. The minimum marks has to be 50% for unreserved category, and for OBC, FWS, PWD and CW it has to be 45%. Those in the final years of bachelor's can also apply, but they must finish their bachelor's degree before joining the FMS. Coming towards the most important highlight, which is placements. FMS publishes its placement reports and batch profiles on its official site. And according to that, for MBA full-time batch of 2022 to 2024, the average CTC was 32.4 LPA. The median CTC was 30 LPA. The summer placement processes for the batch 2024 to 2026 was conducted virtually, with the process successfully completed. An average stipend of INR 2.4 lakhs was reported, with the highest stipend reaching INR 5 lakhs. Let's talk about the scholarship and seats intake. The seats matrix for the full-time MBA is 251 seats. Reservation or category-wise seats are available for general, unreserved, SC/ST, OBC, EWS, person with disability, etc. The FMS offers various scholarships including the OPJEMS, which is OP Jindal Engineering and Management Scholarship. This is for top 10 students, which is INR 1.5 lakhs. The Aditya Birla Scholarship for meritorious students based on academic records and financial need, which is INR 1 to 2 lakhs. So to wrap up, FMS Delhi offers an excellent ROI, world-class legacy, strong courses, competitive admission, and good placement, fine academic record, and the drive. This could be one of the top choices. If you found this review helpful, hit the like button and let me know in the comments which business school do you want me to review next. Also, don't forget to subscribe our channel Career Choice 360.